Fix apps not showing up in Google Play Store. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So you have to do two simple steps. First, you have to click on settings and then you have to go on apps. You have to search for your Play Store. Once you open that, click on storage and cache. Once you click on storage and cache, clear cache and clear storage. Once you do that, then you have to go to the app itself. Once you go to the app, open the app. On the top right, you will find your profile icon. Now that it's loaded, on the top right, you'll find your profile icon. Click on settings, click on about, and here you'll find a Play Store version. Make sure, like for example, in my phone, there is an update on the Play Store, but make sure that your Play Store is updated, because if it's not updated, apps will not show up. See if you have the latest version in your Play Store. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.